In this video we're going to use Caption Pro to create continuous one-part captions on a group of photos and copy only those images which we've captioned to another folder. The first step is to select the files we want from a folder, which in this case is called Demo. When we load it, we can see that we've got 14 files in the selected folders and subfolders, but only 9 in the selected folder. We'll caption all of them by clicking Yes. So here's the first one. Because we're doing one-part continuous captions, we only need the simple interface, so we've hidden that. So we type in the caption we want, and then enter it by clicking Return. So here's the caption, and now we can move on to the next image by clicking the right arrow. This actually applies the caption which we've just entered and moves on to the next one. Now the next image you can see is incorrectly oriented, so to correct its orientation, we show all of the controls and we go into Editor. We're using Windows Photo Viewer, which can only do rotations, but that's all we need. Here it is. And now let's rotate it clockwise and close. And after a small delay, we'll see the correctly oriented image come up, and we can put in a caption there, like bike in front of building. So we'll apply that and move on to the next one by clicking the right arrow. Into the Options menu and select Persist Captions. This means that the caption we enter will be the same for succeeding images. So we can hide this again, and we type in the caption. It's skiing in Austria, and click the right arrow again. And now to apply this caption to the same image, to the selected image, we just click the right arrow again. There it is. Same again. Same again. And now we're on to something which is not skiing in Austria. It's a Darwin street scene. So we'll type Darwin street scene. And we'll make a spelling mistake, so we'll put in Darwin. Now when we look back, we think, oh, I've made a spelling mistake, so we'll go back to the previous previous image using the left arrow key, and now we'll fix up the spelling mistake. Remove the E, click the right arrow, and we'll move on. And of course this is as incorrect as we want, but we'll now say we don't want to remove that particular caption, so we'll delete that, click right arrow and confirm that we want to delete the caption and move on. Another caption now, Pandanus. But we've already got one of those, so we don't want a caption on that, so we'll delete it, move on. And here's a photo of a lizard, and there's a few photos of lizards here, so we'll just pick the one we like. And now we'll move on to archaeology. Okay, so we've now applied to all of those captions, and now we want to select all of the photos which we have captioned and copy them somewhere else. So if we go Copy Captioned, do we really want to do it? Yes we do. Let's select a folder called Captioned Photos, and now it's done. And now if we want to look at those photos, we'll hide Caption Pro. You can see that every photo that's in there has a caption on it, and it's been selected from all of the ones which we initially processed. So this is a good way of making a selection from a large number of photos and then captioning them.